Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can record screen on your iPhone device with the microphone. So if you want to record the screen on your iPhone device with microphone, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can record screen on your iPhone device with microphone and with sound. So now let's get started how you can do that. First of all, here you will need to open setting on your iPhone or iPad device. Then after that, here you'll need to scroll it below, then here tap on general, then tap on software update, and here first of all you will have to make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest version. Then after that, here you will need to again open setting, then here scroll it below, then here you will need to search for control center. So here is control center, you will need to tap on this. Then after that, here you will need to scroll it below, and here you will have to search for screen recording. So here is the option of screen recording. You will need to tap on the plus icon here. Then after that, here you will need to go back. So after that, here you will need to again open setting, then here tap on screen time. Then after that, here you will need to again scroll it below, then tap on content and privacy restrictions. Then after that, you will see this type of interface. Here you will have to scroll it below here, and here is option of microphone. You will need to tap on this. So from here you will have to turn on all these toggles from here. Then after that, here you will have to select the all changes. After that, here you will need to go back. So after that, here you will have to close this tab. After that, here you will need to open control center on your iPhone or iPad device. So here you will have to long press the screen record icon. So after that, here is the option of microphone. If it is turned off here, then here you will need to long press on it. So here you can see that here the microphone is turned off. If you want to turn on the microphone, here you will need to long press on it. Then after that, here you can see that it's on. So now if you want to record the screen on your iPhone device, then here you will need to tap on start recording. So after that, the screen recording has been started on my iPhone device with microphone. Here you will need to close this tab. So here you can see that the screen recording is on and it's working and it's being recording on my iPhone device. So after that, here when you turn this off, you will need to tap on this. Then here you will need to tap on stop. Then after that, the screen recording has been done, and here you can see that the screen recording with microphone is working here. So here you can see that the screen recording has been done on my iPhone or iPad device. So in this way you can record screen on your iPhone device with sound and with microphone. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.